Did you know oolong tea can help burn fat, improve digestion, and even protect your skin? Let's explore the science behind its powerful benefits. Good to have you here, fellow explorers of flavor. Let's talk oolong. Oolong tea, a partially fermented tea that originated in China, has been gaining popularity as a daily beverage. Its unique processing method gives it a distinct flavor profile that's somewhere between green and black tea. As more and more people discover its potential health benefits, oolong tea is becoming a staple in many households. Many believe tea is just for relaxation or specific cultures, but oolong tea offers benefits far beyond that. Anyone can enjoy and benefit from it. Another common hesitation is that tea preparation seems complicated. But with a little practice, brewing oolong tea can be just as easy as making coffee. Some people might also be deterred by the initial bitter taste, but trust me, your taste buds will adapt and you'll soon come to appreciate its complexity. When integrating oolong tea into your daily routine, the key is to start small. Begin with 1 cup a day and see how your body reacts. You can also experiment with different brewing times and temperatures to find the perfect balance for your taste. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Many benefits accumulate over time. Drinking oolong tea every day can have a significant impact on your body. One of the most notable benefits is weight loss. Oolong tea has been shown to boost metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. It can also aid digestion, reducing bloating and improving overall gut health. Another key benefit is its high antioxidant content, which can help protect your body from free radicals and oxidative stress. Research suggests oolong tea may help reduce body fat over time, with studies showing promising results. One study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that oolong tea extract increased fat burning by 10% in just 2 weeks. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition indicated that regular oolong tea consumption may contribute to fat loss. Oolong tea has also been shown to improve skin health, reducing wrinkles and age spots. Its antioxidant properties may even help protect against certain diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. The list of benefits goes on, and it's no wonder oolong tea is becoming a staple in many health-conscious households. Many people who regularly drink oolong tea have reported noticeable benefits, including reduced body fat percentage, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. These positive effects have led many to make oolong tea a daily habit. A Taiwanese study suggested that regular oolong tea consumption may significantly lower heart disease risk, which highlights its potential impact on overall health. In summary, drinking oolong tea every day can have a transformative effect on your body. From weight loss to improved digestion, and from antioxidant properties to disease prevention, the benefits are undeniable. While oolong tea has impressive benefits, moderation is key. Too much can lead to side effects, like caffeine sensitivity. So, will you make oolong tea part of your routine? Have you ever tried drinking oolong tea every day? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're new to the world of tea, check out my other video, Unlock the Secret to Perfect Oolong Tea. Every brew is different. Zrenia, where I show you how to get the best flavor from every cup. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.